this is how to see the deleted messages on Instagram, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Instagram and log into your account. At the home page, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the very top right corner, and now click on your activity. You have to just scroll down at the bottom of this interface, and here you will find an option of download your informations. Simply click on it and here click on request a download, and here select your account and then click on the next. Click on select type of information here. So once you are here at this interface, simply click on the messages option and then click on the next, and here click on submit request. So once you click on it, you have to just wait for a second, and here you can see the step of the notification. You have to just wait for some time. Till then you will receive an email from the Instagram support team, and they will provide you a link to download your deleted messages and your chat. And then simply open the email that you have received from the Instagram team. You have to simply click on the download your information, and then you will be able to get back your informations like your messages and your deleted chat. So that's how to view your deleted messages and your chat on Instagram. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.